Hello everyone. In this session, we will study about multiple reflection and a phenomenon called reverberation. So, in a closed room, sometimes when sound is produced and there are reflectors, the sound can hit on various surfaces and multiple reflections can be produced. So, due to this multiple reflection, there is an effect that we feel that the sound persists there itself. So, the persistence of sound due to multiple reflection is called reverberation. In some cases, this reverberation is highly undesirable. Suppose in an auditorium where the reflecting surfaces are more, reverberation can happen and there can be mixing of an original sound and the multiple reflections from different ends. So, in certain cases, in an auditorium, when this becomes undesirable, we always use rough plastering, draperies, fiber boards, etc. to absorb sound, that is to reduce multiple reflection and to reduce the persistence of sound, what is meant by reverberation. Once again, to taking a recap, reverberation is the persistence of sound due to multiple reflection. In auditoriums where musical concerts are happening, this reverberation can be undesirable. In this case, we use the panelings on the walls of certain sound absorbing materials like fiberboard, draperies, etc. But there are certain examples where multiple reflections become, it is not directed to a particular direction, right? So while speaking in a megaphone, what happens? The sound gets reflected in a particular direction and it can be directed in particularly to a specific area. So, without going in this direction to a vast area, this megaphone will direct it to a specific area. The next instrument which works on the multiple reflection of sound is a stethoscope. We know, right? A doctor uses a stethoscope to find or hear the sounds internally. He put it on our stomach, heart, lungs, etc. So, the wire of the stethoscope, we know that the stethoscope is like this, right? The wire of the stethoscope allows the multiple reflection of sound and it directs the sound to the doctor's ear. Or there is another example where we use the multiple reflection of sound. If we use a concave roof of a reflecting surface where a source of sound is there, the source of sound will produce the sound which will be reflected in a particular direction. Another way, when there is a musical concert, there can be reflecting surface at the back side of the singer so that the singer is standing at the focus. So what happens with a mic? The mic produces sound which falls on this concave reflector and they are directed parallel to very long distances. You understood this? This mic is placed on the focus so that the sound coming is hitting on the reflecting surface which is placed at the back and the sound can go to much farther distances in this case. So you understood that even though reverberation is an undesirable effect, there are certain devices which use multiple reflection in a way that it is advantageous to us. Hope you understood the topic. Thank you.